Hello friends, you're welcome back to our channel, the Chimadi's Video channel. This video I want to show you the simple process of joining the RainBNB, where you can make free BNB and make crazy money this 2025. So pay attention to this video because I'm going to show you everything. This is the third part of one of the parts of this video, but this part is very important because this is where registration occurs. Now, before you join RainBNB, please, it's not a matter of argument. You must have these particular three apps. The first one is, please try to download this Thunder VPN. Very important. Do your best to do that. Then the second one, there's this SafePal wallet. Look at it. This SafePal wallet. Try to have it and create an account with it. If you don't have that, you create an account with it. And when you create an account with this SafePal, please, before you start registering, before you do what I want to teach now, remember I said Thunder VPN is ready. Then SafePal wallet. Try to fund this SafePal with at least $4 of OPBNB. Now, some of us may say, what is OPBNB? OPBNB is just a network chain, a chain under BNB coin. So simply BNB coin. And if you don't know how to do this, I already have a video on this same channel that teaches you how to do it. But if you say I can't see the video, always feel free to contact me. I will show you exactly what to do to fund that account. If you can't fund it, we can help you to fund it. If you're in Nigeria, you can't fund through the crypto. You say I don't know about crypto, you can fund through Naira and we'll help you to do it. The whole thing is so seamless and very easy. But for those who are not in Nigeria, I cannot pay through Naira. You have to go through this. So we'll have a video that will guide you. I'm always here to guide you. So when you must have funded your OPBNB, whatever, on SafePal, at least with $4. Now, the next thing you need to do is to make sure, that you now have this. You have this. Now, how do you have this RainBNB app? You don't go to Play Store. If you go to Play Store, you fall into the hand of scammers. Don't go to Play Store and be searching for it. Scammers have got their own. I'm going to send you a link to download it. Yes, it's very safe. When you're downloading it, your system might be speaking grammar. This might not be safe. Do you know where? The system will ask if you are not sure of the source, forget it. Please download it. It's very safe. That's it. So once you have these three apps ready, then what do? I'm going to show you now. I have to put on this Thunder VPN on first. It has to be very on. Somebody will say, why? Yes, but part of the reason why we're using Thunder VPN is because of the network. We don't want a station where in the course of registration, network will break off. So please remove this because they want you to upgrade to whatever. Now I want to connect. Click on connect to make sure the thing is on because of high browsing ability. So that's where we are. It's now connected. Now that it's connected, now watch and see what I'm going to do right away. So at this point, I'm going to open to that Thunder the RainBNB. Remember, I've connected Thunder VPN number 1. I now click on RainBNB. Now, before I do this, you cannot just go there and register. Remember, you have your money already on your SafePal. Then you need to copy, get the referral code of whoever is referring you. You can't just go there. Once I get there and you see what's going to happen, the system requests for a referral code. So you need that code. Who is referring you? So in that case, you need to contact me to give you the code, or whoever that referred you. Please, you can still watch this video, but someone else has referred you. Feel free to get the code from the person before you start it. So I click on RainBNB. Just watch. Now, he asked me to connect wallets. I've chosen SafePal. You see a lot of wallets there. Trust Wallet, a lot of them. Please choose SafePal because that's SafePal we are using. We are using SafePal. Now, you seen it. It's here and I say enter referral ID. And your joining fee is 0.004 for whatever. I click here to put my referral ID. As I choose referral ID, I have to click on register. That's it. Now, because I already have, like I told you, if you check here now, you see that under my OP BNB, at least I have of the amount they requested for. They say at least 0.004. You understand? 0.004, but I have 0.007. So I have enough. It's very important to do that, so that because of fluctuation and all that. So that's it. Very important. So I have this. Then I will tell you the next thing to do, that this will start working. That's exactly how to go about this. So at that point, you're going to see this. Now, the system wants to cut off the exact amount you have. Are you getting that amount? Look at it, 0.004 BNB. Say you have an unconfirmed request from RainBNB, so and so. So you click on confirm. Click on confirm, so that the system will deduct that amount. Now put your security password. This one's for you. When you are doing this, nobody should see your security password. So I put my security password. The system is now trying to successfully registered. Do you see it? Successfully registered. It's instantly written there. So I've registered this account. You see how easy it is. You click on OK. So you have already now registered. That they have cut, the system has cut part of this, and you're going to see that RainBNB whatever is up here right now. So you are now registered your account. You can see everything is showing. Are you seeing it? Today's bonus, whatever, my wallet fund, and all that. See, and all that. So you're going to have user ID. So at this point, I'm just a beginner. You understand? So you keep on increasing. That's how you grow from here and keep on growing. You have influencer pack, you have achiever pack, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to share my link with you, my referral ID with you, and that's how the same way you're going to find your own. And not only that, if someone wants to join directly, you can still click through your link and all that. But always share referral code. That's very important, because that's in the course of registration. That's what the system always asks for. So all of these things, when there's referral bonus, are you seeing it? Referral bonus, direct bonus, upgrade bonus, level bonus, a lot of royalty bonus. See a lot of bonuses that are here. So much. Look at all the levels you can go into. So it's a very big business. And I want to tell you this before I run out this video, please. In a world of crypto today, in a world of business, anybody that goes out there and say, I can't tell people about opportunities, you are not a serious person. Don't waste your life. When you have an opportunity like this that can give you money and it doesn't cost much, tell your friends. Tell your friends. In fact, if those your friends are like, they feel that bringing out money is too difficult, you can even use your money and pay for them to convince them that this is working. And which you know, by the time it works, they're going to reward you. So it's so money. As you are joining, you are telling your friends to join you so that you can make crazy money. Learn how to market, learn how to do it. It's very possible. So I'm going to stop at this point. You can see that it's very seamless. Follow this video the way I made it, and you're going to understand everything. So if you still have a question, the comment box is here on YouTube channel. You can ask us questions. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will give you the guide. And fall into this. Join my team so that every question you have, I can easily answer your questions. That's exactly how this thing works. So I'm going to stop at this point. I wish you the best. If you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we're going to be bringing updates. As long as this information, this place is concerned, this RainBNB is concerned, we'll give you updates and everything about crypto. Every tutorial you need to know, how do I do this, how do I do that, we'll give you that. So join us and share this video. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.